This is the Harvest Time die set from Spellbinders. There are 17 different dies in this set, and this is a companion die set for the Cuckoo cottage. So this goes with that base Cuckoo clock in order to make it harvest or autumn themed. There's a lot of different options here to decorate that Cuckoo clock with autumn little bits and pieces, but you could use these bits and pieces on other cards as well. You could use them as little focal points for mini cards. There's some fall leaves here that would be perfect, as well as some tree branches. There's a lot of different options for decorating that Cuckoo clock, and all of these pieces are really easy to put together and assemble. I like to use liquid glue when assembling them. It gives you a little bit of wiggle room for moving those dies in place. Takes a tiny little bit of time for them to dry, but it really doesn't take for this card long. I use the squirrels, the pumpkins, the acorns, but there's also some foxes, as well as a little gnome, and then the branches that I was mentioning. So there's a lot of different ways that you can customize it and make it suit you. Once all of my little options are put together, I will add them to the Cuckoo clock base. I've also added some metallic cardstocks here to give it a little bit of a different texture. Their pieces here are really easy to add to the clock. Again, I use that same liquid glue, and it gives that clock a lot of interest and texture. Once I have my whole clock together, I'm ready to add it to my card base. You could also use this on a piece of mixed media or on a scrapbook page for something fun, for a little focal point. For the pendulum, you use a foam pop dot for that to swing on, and then foam pop dots for the rest of the Cuckoo clock. And once you've assembled it, that little pendulum at the bottom will rock back and forth, giving you a little interactive card. This is a fantastic die set, so fun to put together, and I love the fact that you can customize that Cuckoo cottage die set.